We're going to dive into the world of ultralight fishing and give you some tips along the way. So, is it for beginners because it is easy to learn? Or is it for anglers looking for a new challenge? In order to answer those questions, we need to dig a little deeper. First things first, let's talk about what ultralight fishing is. Ultralight fishing is all about using lighter gear, which includes lighter rods, reels, lines, and lures. This approach makes fishing more challenging and exciting because you'll feel every little nibble and fight from the fish. It is also a popular choice for beginners because it is relatively inexpensive. To get started, you're gonna need some gear. When it comes to ultralight fishing, a lightweight rod and reel combo is key. No need to spend a lot of money here. Start by looking for a rod with a sensitive tip and a reel with a smooth drag system. Ultralight rods are typically 6-7 feet long and have a sensitive tip. Ultralight reels are typically small and lightweight. If you liked this video, please tap the like button below and consider subscribing. Now, let's tackle the line. Look for a high-quality monofilament line that is thin with low visibility. Ultralight line is typically 2 to 6 pound test. It is important to use a line weight that is matched to your rod and reel. This type of line will increase your chances of a bite while remaining stealthy in the water. Next up, let's talk about bait. Ultralight fishing is all about finesse, so choose small, natural-looking bait. Live worms, small insects, or even minnows are excellent choices. Remember, presentation is everything. You are trying to imitate what the fish naturally eat. You can also opt for artificial lures that are typically small and lightweight, such as jigs, small crankbaits, soft plastics, and tiny spinners. After you got all that, let's talk technique. When it comes to technique, sensitivity is crucial. Keep your line taut and be alert for any slight movement or nibble. Ultralight fishing requires you pay close attention to your line. Use a slow and steady retrieve to mimic injured or easy prey for the fish. Make sure to feel for any changes in resistance. Next up, let's talk about location. You can fish in ponds, lakes, or rivers, whatever you prefer. Look for areas with plenty of cover, such as fallen trees, rocky areas, or submerged vegetation. These spots provide shelter for fish. Ultralight fishing is perfect for fishing a variety of species, including panfish like bluegill and crappie. It's also great for small to medium-sized game fish like trout and bass. These fish can provide an exciting challenge on ultralight gear. Keep in mind, mastering ultralight fishing takes practice and persistence. Use these tips and don't be afraid to try different baits. Ultralight fishing is an exciting and challenging way to enjoy the great outdoors. It's perfect for beginners looking to hone their angling skills or experienced anglers seeking a new challenge. It is also relatively inexpensive and easy to learn. So, grab your ultralight gear, hit the water, and have a blast.